Hi all and welcome to Mr. Ersig's online learning class for week 10. Here are your learning objectives. 1. You're going to complete a listening task. 2. You're going to complete a composition and performance response to our tutorial. And 3. You're going to demonstrate you've been practicing. It's going to be pretty cool. Alright, let's start. So, task 1, what I want you to do is you're going to listen to Charlie Puth's attention. You're going to start at 0 seconds and finish at 1:40, so 1 minute 40. And as you can see below, here are the topics you're going to discuss: performing media, sections, dynamics, and duration. As you can see, there are a range of questions that I'm going to ask you to answer. So first thing I'm going to ask you to is identify the instruments played in the excerpt. Second question I'm going to ask you to focus on is sections. So how many sections are in the excerpt? Not the sections themselves. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can figure that one out. And you can also figure out what are the sections in the excerpt. So that's when you can start listing them. Is there an intro? Is there a verse, chorus, pre-chorus, bridge? You're also going to assign a dynamic marking for each section. Once you order the structure, then you can assign soft, moderate, or loud to each section. Then for duration, what is the speed of the excerpt? Is it slow, moderate, or fast? Does the tempo change or stay the same? Tempo meaning speed, same thing. And what is the time signature of the excerpt? So that is task 1. Task 2, there's a tutorial behind task 2. So you're going to create a composition and performance response for number 2. Let's dive in. So the main focus of this video is to discuss a major scale formula. The major scale formula is made up of tones and semitones. You may ask me, sir, what are tones and what are semitones? So I'm going to use this new app to explain it. Excited. So say for instance, I start with the note C. Now a semitone means you move one step up or one note up, or one note down or one step down. So let me explain that. If I'm going to play a semitone from C, one step up, it's going to be a D flat. If I play a C and I'm going to play a semitone down from C, I'm going to play B. So semitone up from C, D flat, a semitone down from C, B. Same thing can be applied to any note. So let's start with G. A semitone up is what? A flat? Correct. A semitone down from G is F sharp? Correct. So that is a semitone. You're moving one step up or one step down from the note you're playing. So what is a tone? You're moving now, instead of one step, 2 steps up. So, or 2 steps down. So let's pick a note. Let's start with C. A tone from C is D. Why? 2 notes up from the original note. A tone down from C, however, is a B flat. Why? Because you're moving 2 notes down. Okay, let's try another example. From E, a tone up from E is 2 steps, 2 notes, F, F sharp. The tone down from E is E flat, D. Hopefully you're understanding the difference between a tone and semitone. So, how do we make the formula? And here is the major scale formula. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Okay, what is the scale? It really means ladder, moving up and down a ladder. Very simple. So how can I explain this to you? Let's start with using C. We're going to go from C all the way to C, and we're going to apply the formula. Watch and see how it goes. So, a tone from C. Remember? Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So, that's the formula. Tone from C is a D. Next step, tone. Tone from D is an E. The next step is to apply a semitone now. So E to F. Then we go from a tone from F, G, a tone from G, A, a tone from A, B, and then finally another semitone from B to C. So what scale does that give you? Let's play together. All the Y keys from C to C. Okay, so that is the C major scale. Now this formula can be applied to any note. So if you were to start from G, go from G to A, apply a tone, A to B, apply another tone. Then you're going to play a semitone. Next tone will be from where? C to D. Next tone will be to E. And this time we have to apply another tone, so it won't be from E to F. It'll actually be from E to F sharp. And then apply a semitone from F sharp to G. So, let me play it again. F sharp, same formula. Okay, so what I'd like you to do today is, for practice, is I want you to take out your instrument and learn the C major scale. That's number one. Number two, I want you to go onto YouTube and type in R&B music backing track. Okay, so there's a nice groove. Play the C major scale that you've learned. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is try improvising. So what we're going to do, improvising means that you start making things up on spot, but it doesn't really mean you're making it up on spot. And the reasons being is you sort of have to know how to play a scale or in order to make a melody. So I'm going to instruct you to make a melody using the C major scale. And then when you finish each melodic phrase or finish each melody, I want you to end on the following notes. So, okay, so let's play through the piece of music again. Okay, here we go. Next round, we're going to make some melodies and end on those notes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. So I'm ending all on the notes. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. Okay, in response to this tutorial, what I'd like you to do is record yourself by audio or video, and I want you to record yourself improvising over this backing track. Only 30 seconds, just to try it out. So that's task number 2 done. Task number 3, we're going to stream and have a conversation between yourself and myself. For task number 3, what you're going to do is text me through Sector Direct. And we're going to pick an application, either Skype, Teams, or Zoom, and we're going to have a conversation about your performance. You're going to give me a couple of samples as your performance is due in week 11. This has been Mr. Erceg, and thank you so much for your time. Ciao for now.